Hello everyone, welcome back another episode of ESP Industries YouTube channel. Today I will introduce a new update on old ESP32-S3 NES Emulator of universal version. Now it's truly sound support, 7 function and battery indicator. Before we continue, your support is important to community grow. So like the video and subscribe to channel for free. Also check my other projects. Let's dive in. This video just only announcement about new update and web flasher. If you are subscriber, you already know I like to work on emulator. I have already published 3 different emulator on my channel and source code on my GitHub page. Today I'll talk about this handheld game console newest update that come with web flasher. I used that previous emulator project. I like too much this installer. Hasn't any compile error and I'd like to mesmerizing on that. I switched to working place from Arduino to ESP-IDF, so I can share source code on old repository. I needed to prepare a new tutorial about it. Almost use old pin configuration, except CS pin. CS pin goes to GPIO 10, also adding a backlight control, controlling with GPIO 4, and battery voltage read by GPIO 3. Yes, I know it's strapping pins on ESP32-S3, but it isn't problem for this job. Using 300K resistor made a voltage divider like this, you don't want to break your board, because they were working under 3.3 volt, but Lipo battery giving maximum 4.2 volt. If you didn't watch the previous tutorial, go watch it before for making this device. You can find more detail on that tutorial. Also, you have control volume and brightness. If you are click button B on game select menu, or you can reach on gameplay pressing start and select button combination. Your adjust 7 in memory. When console reboot, starting with old settings. Let's continue with web flasher. For doing this, go to this site, click the connect button, pair your device. You must be seeing that info. Then click the flash firmware button. Wait the installing. Take a while. Then device automatically reboot. If don't, you can reset your device. You see boot logo on device. 3D model published on my CAD 3D page. Also binary files published on old repository. All you need links are description. Don't forget to subscribe for didn't miss any update. Write in the comment what do you want to see in next episode. Until next time, bye.